Mice have a rapid reproduction rate. The gestation period is approximately 19 to 23 days. The average litter size is 4 to 12 young. In some instances, up to 30 young have been born. However, females have 10 nipples, so may only feed this many pups at any one time. The pups in larger litters are often weaker, smaller animals that can weaken the doe, increasing recovery time. Litters can be humanely culled to 10 to 12 mice at the very most. Males can mate with a female as soon as the litter is born, which means that a female could become pregnant with another litter within 3 days of giving birth. Female mice should not be bred before 12 weeks or after 8 months. Doing so can be very dangerous, and some mice can die while giving birth. Females come into heat around every 3 to 5 days, so the pair can be kept together for up to 10 days. Baby mice, called pinkies or pups, are born blind, deaf, and naked. Their eyes are closed and their ears are stuck to the sides of their heads. Mothers may eat any dead or sickly offspring. Pups begin to grow hair at 2 to 4 days. Ears open at 3 to 5 days, and the pups will start vocalizing. Eyes open at 14 days, and the pups will start exploring the world around them. At 3 weeks old, they look like miniature versions of adult mice. At 4 weeks, the males in the litter should be removed, lest they impregnate their mother and sisters, while the females can be left with the mother. Food for fancy mice can range from specially formulated feed mix to kitchen scraps. Carrot, spinach, lettuce and other vegetables are often enjoyed by mice but should be given sparingly, as such foods can result in diarrhea and life-threatening dehydration. Breadcrumbs, wheat and rice can also be good for mice. Laboratories keeping mice as experimental subjects almost uniformly use a product called Lab Block, a scientifically formulated blend originally designed for mice in laboratories. In order to keep variety in their diets, mice can also eat oats, oily seeds, clean eggshell, breakfast cereal, and stale bread. Fruit and vegetables are part of a more natural and healthful diet. Some owners give it to them as a treat after they do a trick. Mice often chew wood and other hard substances, which keeps their teeth from growing too long. Citation needed: as mice and rats have similar diets, some pet mouse owners choose to feed them rat food. Although it is common practice to feed pre-mixed diets designed for other rodents, for the longevity and health of the animal it is best to feed mouse-targeted diets. Diets for hamsters, for instance, are known to contain higher protein than what is required for mice or rats. House mice primarily feed on plant matter, but they will also accept meat and dairy products. Meats are full of protein and are good for pregnant or nursing mice. They will drink water, but require little of it, relying mainly on the moisture present in their food. If a water source is provided, then a gravity bottle feeder is necessary for maintaining the cleanliness of the water supply. They will eat their feces to acquire nutrients produced by bacteria in their intestines, a behavior they share with rabbits and guinea pigs called coprophagy. House mice, like other rodents, do not vomit. Handling: although mice are small animals and care must be taken to avoid injury, they are also surprisingly robust and inquisitive. Once out of the cage, many enjoy running along their owner's arms, investigating pockets, or just sitting on the owner's lap and grooming. Some mice also tolerate gentle petting.